Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're in the book of Luke now, and today we are going to read from Luke chapter 4 from verse 31 to verse 37. Now we're doing this so that we can build with faith. So if you want to build your faith, come follow me. And if you want more people to build for them faith, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. Because if you do them someday, YouTube will pick up that people are interested in this material and will push it out to more people. So now, today, we are going to read the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 31 to verse 37. Then Jesus go down to Capernaum, one town in Galilee, and start to teach the people them on the Sabbath. The way how him teach shock them, cause him message sure say no way ma talk about. One man with one demon in him, the day in the Jew them church. Him bawl out pan the top of him voice. Sure, Jesus of Nazareth, where you want with we? You come fi kill we off. Me know who you be. You are the only one where come from God. Keep your mouth, Jesus said in a one serious voice. Come out of the man. The demon fling down the man in front of everybody and come out, but never hurt the man. All of the people them shock and said to them one another, but what is here? Him have the right and the power for other demon to come out of people. And then come out. And the news about Jesus spread all about the place. A God word this. Thank God